Hey guys, it's Groovy Tony, and today we're gonna learn how to hide our subscriber count on YouTube. It's actually quite simple. What you wanna do is you're gonna click on your little image icon. From here, you're gonna actually go into YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, you're gonna see quite a few menu systems you can use. We're just gonna go straight down towards the bottom where it says send feedback. Right above it, it says settings. Let's hit on settings. In our settings, you can even go in and change things about your channel. So let's hit channel. In channel, you can do automated tags, but what we're gonna look for is advanced settings. If you scroll down in this advanced settings, you're actually going to see the ability to hide potential inappropriate words, or you're gonna see the option to display the number of people subscribed to your channel on your profile. If this checkmark is on, it is going to display your subscriber number to anyone who views your channel. If you don't wish to show your subscribers to your viewers, you can actually uncheck this box and it will hide that number for you. So if I uncheck this now, I have 9 subscribers. If I uncheck this now and I hit save, and I then go to my channel, your channel, you'll see that nowhere on my channel does it display how many people are actually subscribed to my channel. Just as easily, I can go back into YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, yet again, go to settings. In settings, go to channel. Head back over to advanced settings. I can turn this check mark back on, display the number of people subscribed to my channel. Hit save. I can go into my channel, and now you will see how many subscribers are subscribed to this channel. This one in particular has 9. It is that easy to display or to hide your YouTube subscriber count. Hope you enjoyed. Smash like and subscribe.